Yeah, Getty, what's in the second drawer? Yeah, what's in the next drawer? No. No. What's in this drawer? You just got the stuff out. What's in that? Yeah? Here you go. Mommy help you? What do you do with that? Okay, Getty. What do you do with the washcloth? Good job! Oh, and now that you've used it, you're going to shove it back in the clean drawer. Way to go, buddy. You have more cleaning to do? You gonna clean Mommy's side? Good job! Yeah, pull Daddy's chair out, because you already pushed it in, didn't you? Alright, now you gotta clean his chair. Good job, now push it back in. Push it back in, push. Two hands. There you go, buddy. Okay, are you done cleaning? Yeah, that drawer's a mess now. Good job!